One programming language. That is all it takes to open doors to software development, data science, automation, web development, machine learning, and even real-world problem solving. And that language is Python. In 2026, Python is not just another coding language people talk about. It is one of the most practical and career-relevant skills you can learn if you want to grow in tech. It is simple enough for beginners to understand, yet powerful enough to be used by professionals across some of the biggest industries in the world. And if you have been waiting to learn Python but did not know where to start, then Simplilearn has come up with its free Python course with certification designed to help you learn step by step in a simple, structured, and a beginner-friendly way. This course is built to make coding feel approachable. Instead of making things confusing from the start, it helps you understand the basic clearly, practice important concepts, and gradually build the confidence to work with Python in real scenarios. What makes this course even better is that you can start learning without paying anything. The course includes 11 hours of self-paced video lessons, gives you 90 days of access, and once you complete it, you can also earn a completion certificate that you can share on your LinkedIn profile and add to your resume. And that's make it a very good option for aspiring software developers, data scientists, data analysts, AI and machine learning engineers, web developers, programming enthusiasts, students, business analysts, quality assurance professionals, system administrators, and freelancers. In short, this course is for anyone who wants to learn a language that is actually useful in today's tech world. And the timing could not be better. According to the course page, Python is the third most popular language among professional software developers, and the annual median salary of a Python developer ranges somewhere around $110,000. That clearly shows how valuable this skill has become. Python is no longer just something beginners try for practice. It is serious professional skills that companies actively look for the industries like healthcare, finance, education, business, and technology. So now let's look at what is inside this course. You will begin with Introduction to Python, which help you understand what Python is and why it is so widely used. This is important because a strong start makes everything easier later. From there, the course moves into data types in Python, helping you understand how different kinds of information are stored and handled in code. Then you will learn about strings, which are extremely important because text handling is a big part of real programming tasks. The course also covers conditional statements and loops, which are among the most essential concepts in programming. These are the concepts that allow you to code to make decisions and repeat actions efficiently. Once you understand these properly, programming starts to feel more logical and much less intimidating. After that, the course takes you into object-oriented programming or OOPS, which is one of the most important concepts for writing clean, structured, and scalable code. And this is where you begin to think more like a real developer. But the learning does not stop with just the basics. The course also includes threading and scripting in Python, which adds more depth to your understanding. Then it introduces you to highly important Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-Learn. This makes the course even more valuable because now you're not just learning Python syntax, but also seeing how Python is used for data manipulation, analysis, visualization, and machine learning tasks in real work environments. Now, another exciting part of this course is web scraping with Python. This gives you exposure to how Python can be used to collect useful information from websites, which is a practical skill for many projects. On top of that, the course also includes Python interview questions, which can help you prepare for opportunities and understand how these concepts are asked in real interview situations. The skills you will build here are highly relevant. You get exposure to core Python programming, object-oriented programming, Python data structures, web frameworks, data manipulation, and web scraping techniques. That means you are not just learning theory. You're building a strong base that can support many different career paths. Whether you want to become a Python developer, move into a full-stack development, explore data science, or later step into AI and machine learning, it is perfect for all these paths. So, if you have been waiting for the right opportunity to start coding with a language that is practical, in demand, and widely used across industries, this is a great place to begin with. Simplilearn's free Python course with certification gives you the structured learning, beginner-friendly lessons, practical topics, career-relevant skills, and a certificate at the end, all at no cost. Yes, you heard that right. Everything you will learn and get in this course will be free of cost. The course link is in the description box below, so go ahead, check it out, enroll today, and start learning Python and take your first step towards the most useful skills in the modern technology. And subscribe to the channel for more such valuable courses like these.